Hello friends, if gardening is not a play, then it's not even worth it to do it. But gardening is not the only play that exists here. My friend Surya likes to play with Legos. He even made a car recently, look. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. But because gardening is my play, he made me recently from Legos a bonsai pot. Let me show you. And I'm gonna plant something in it. Look at the beauty, has even a drainage holes. Very colorful. I was thinking of planting a cactus in it. This one is crested, and some new growth on it are not crested. So I was planting cutouts, the non-crested, and I'm gonna pull some out to see which one already rooted and plant it into this bonsai pot. Let me see. This is some crested cactuses, just keep growing crested parts, but that, and this one also, but that one I have to cut the non-crested parts because they grow faster and they would take over. So, by the way, here I have my latest crafting, and here, and here,
and here,
and there, yes. And I don't know, let me see if this one has a roots already. It's growing, so it's probably, yeah, has a plenty of roots. So that's the one that I'm gonna plant into this pot. Let's go for it. I have to turn off the camera to have hands available for it, and then I'll restart. Alright, I'm back. Done. A cactus in its new apartment. Freshly transplanted. If you have a children or grandchildren that like to play with Legos, they can help you maybe. Maybe they too can make you a bonsai pot. Yeah. Okay, my friends, goodbye. That's all. This pot is made of lava.